right, we'll get to the unboxing. It has the link to their Facebook page. And there's the part number. Let's go ahead and open it up. Comes with the vent filter. There's the filter. A new gasket. And the transmission top cover. There are a couple other companies out there that do similar, but this is almost the exact same thing as the factory. Has the vent instead of coming out the front, just dripping down. It has a little air filter to vent it out. It also has the logo in there, or the glass so you can see inside. It looks really good. I do like their quality. I will say the other products that I've used from Nicecnc are very good quality products, so I do recommend them. But let's go ahead and get to the tools we're going to need, and then we'll get to the install. All right, here are the tools we're going to need. It's a pair of pliers to remove the hose. I probably will not remove the hose. I'm going to try to do it without it, but it may make it easier for you. A little 1/4" ratchet, 1/4" extension, a 1/4" Allen 5/32, 3/16, and the same small ones here as well if you need to. This tool right here, and I'll link it in the description, is the easiest and best way to remove this transmission top cover. Simple. Use this tool, buy it. It's linked down in the description. Amazon affiliate link. Definitely buy it. It will make this job easier. A small Phillips head screwdriver for the worm clamp, and a torque wrench if you want to use one. And I'll let you know what the torque specification is when I get there. Also, one thing I also always use is a bin to put my screws in so they don't roll around when they're on the bench, and a towel just to kind of clean things up. But that's the tools you're gonna need. Let's get into the install. We need to go ahead and remove this side cover and the side cover from the other side. All right, with the screw remove, put our hand underneath here and just pull and pop it out. It has two rubber little inserts that clip onto these two little screws right here. Put this off to the side. We'll go ahead and move the tender cable out of the way so it doesn't get in the way. On the other side, it's got two of the bolts. Let's go ahead and remove them. And the second one. And then pop the one little pin out. This one only has the one rubber grommet. Put that off to the side. And this way you can kind of get to the transmission cover. It makes it just a little easier. We're going to remove these screws or bolts from there. Remove that off, and then we'll take the cover off. You can remove the hose if you want. I'm going to leave it on for right now. I may take it off later, but just use the pliers, pull the clamp up, and then just pull the hose off. There may be some residual oil in it, so be careful. It will make a mess. Okay, we'll go ahead and loosen the bolts. We'll get the others from the other side. Go ahead and remove the cover. Just slide it forward, lift the back end up, and it comes straight out. All right, we'll go ahead and wipe it down a little bit. Just be careful, try not to drop stuff in there. I'll go ahead and line up the gasket. Slide it in the same way. Now we'll just take our screws and get them started. Make sure the gasket's all lined up. Okay, we got that side, we'll go to the other side. All right, now we'll get them snug down. Got those three snug down, we'll go to the other side. I wish they were all this easy. All right, we'll go ahead and torque them down. All right, now we'll set our torque wrench to 132 to 156 inch-pounds. I set it to 140. All right, move the other side. All right, we'll go ahead and snug down the worm clamp. Leave it loose enough where you can get it, the barb fitting will go through. Go ahead and stick it through the exhaust side underneath and just line it up. You're just gonna have to push it down and make sure it's seated all the way at the bottom. All right, now we'll go ahead and tighten it up. Put my hand and hold the worm clamp and just tighten it up. Doesn't have to be super tight, but enough to snug it down so it doesn't pop off or fall off. There is the cover. Very, very sleek. I think it looks kind of good. It kind of fits in. I'll go ahead and put the side covers on, but that's what it looks like. We'll get it from the other side. And that's what it looks like on the other side. Just a little cosmetic piece. All right, we'll go ahead and put the side covers back on. Go ahead and clean this while you're here just to get it clean. Okay, now we'll just line up, put the stud inside this rubber hole. Just line it up, push it in. Now we'll go ahead and get our screws started. Now snug them down. Now I don't have a torque spec. I just tighten them down, just small turn. I don't ever torque them down. Just turn, little force, and there you go. Let's go to the other side. Go ahead and make sure we put our tender plug back down. And then with that out of the way, go ahead and put the two rubber pieces onto the studs. Pop it in there. All right, we'll start our screw in there. And tighten it down. Very simple, clean install. I like that you can see down in the transmission. Not like I'd really paying attention to it too much. And there it is from the other side. The air filter is sitting halfway behind the cover plate, which doesn't look too bad. I think it looks pretty decent. You won't even notice it's there, but you got to take the cover plate off to clean it if you need to. Well, that's how you install the Nicecnc transmission cover. It does the exact same thing as the factory, just looks a heck of a lot cooler. Really like the actual display window. Gives you something extra to look at if you could like the cosmetic pieces. It looks better than just a regular old plastic. And like I said, I'll put their picture. I believe they have a picture on their website that shows you the before and after. The benefits of it, I've yet to see anything different change. I mean, it's just venting it. It's all it's doing. It does not do anything for the oil side. I know a couple people had read reviews and asked the question on Amazon. It does not vent the oil side. It's still how it is from the factory. There's no vent there. But other than that, I think it's a great product. I would highly recommend it. If I can get them to give me a discount code, I'll put it down in the description. If not, I'll put the affiliate link for Amazon as well as their website. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below. I'll gladly do what I can to help you out, answer the questions. Well, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you could, consider subscribing. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Well, guys, that's it. Remember, ride something, ride safe, and I'll catch you on whatever I'm doing next. Bye.